Log in to Zoom app using your registered email ID. Change your profile name with participation ID, example VIT/STTP 001, which was mailed by us in Excel sheet. Participants are requested to mute your microphone and camera during the sessions. All are need to join in our WhatsApp group. As per AICTE norms, 80% attendance and a minimum of 60% score to be scored in the all assessment is mandatory to avail certificate. Feedback and attendance in Google Forms will be posted at the end of every session after the QA session in the chat box. Assessment in Google Forms will be of MCQ type, short answer type. Submit the answer assessment through Google Form only, which will be posted in WhatsApp group at the end of day. Assessment forms must be submitted before next day 9:30 AM, after which the link will disable. All the participants are requested to download apps which are instructed by the experts during the sessions as a part of activity in Sttp. If you have any query, please raise your hand in Zoom app. Our session coordinator will assist you. Participants are requested to type all your questions in chat box, which will be answered by the experts at the end of session. Participants are requested to not to post any verbal catches in chat box. All the recorded virtual sessions will be available in our YouTube channel at the end of respective slides. If any queries regarding technical issue from inform through WhatsApp group. Thank you, participants. Shall we start the session, sir?
Yes, you can welcome our chief guest.
Sure, sir. I am going to introduce our chief guest. I am honored to introduce our expert speaker, Mr. Subrata Nayak, who completed MSc in Information Technology, Master in Library and Information Science. At present, he is working as a project manager in IIT Kharagpur. His experiences around 20 years of IT experiences to deliver optimal results and business values in high growth environment in education system. Model open source software for online learning, managing model to the academic community of IIT Kharagpur on the institute intranet. Model is an education software helping teachers and students to create and deliver effective online learning environment. Trained around 10,000 teachers in the participating teachers attended at a remote center close to their own college, and also attended tutorial and lab sessions conducted in the same center. The lecture transmission and live interaction takes place through distance mode using a view technology and the internet at the selected remote centers across the country. Research in e-learning software, managing e-learning software for project on developing suitable pedagogical methods for various classes, intellectual calibers, and research in e-learning sponsored by the Ministry of Human Resource Development Department. Government of India under the National Mission Project on Education through ICT. National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. IIT Kharagpur is one of the 8 institutions involved in a MHRD funded project on National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. The aim of the project is to improve educational standards in all engineering institutions across the country. Digital video library, managing video on demand, service to the academic community of IIT Kharagpur in the institute intranet. VOD is used as a digital video library, which is available in intranet website. This is a major part of our central library. We welcome you, sir. Please take on the session, sir.
Ah, thank you, sir. Are you getting my audio?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your invitation.
Thank you, sir.
And today I will give a present. I will share the presentation first. Huh? Share my screen. Are you getting my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So good afternoon, good morning, everybody. Thanks for your invitation, sir. Today we have a short-term training program titled Assessment in Engineering Education, a Pedagogical Approach. In this short-term courses, I will take a topic about assessment through Moodle LMS software. So you, first of all, you are the teacher. You are taking the classes in your class and you are delivering your lectures. So while delivering your lectures, first you have to give your lectures in audio and video or video conferencing mode or live classroom. After giving your lectures, you have to take some assessment to the student. So while taking an assessment, how we will take assessment through online. So nowadays we are in this position, we cannot take a class in face-to-face interaction. So today we are going to present how to take a online class and how to take an assessment from the student. So my topic is assessment through Moodle LMS software. This LMS software is a free open source software which can be configured in your institute or your university and you can start your activity. So first I will tell you assessment through Moodle LMS software and then I will tell you the introduction of the Moodle software, how to configure it, how to install in your server, and then I will demonstrate how to take assessment through the Moodle software. So I have three parts. One is how to assess assessment through Moodle LMS software, how we can take assessment from the Moodle software, how we can configure the Moodle software in your server or your local laptop or your desktop. Secondly, I will show you, demonstrate how we can create the assignment, quiz, discussion forum, feedback, and lessons in the Moodle software. Okay. First, I will tell you what is Moodle. Moodle is a free online learning management system providing educators around the world with an open source solution for e-learning that is scalable, customizable, and secure with the largest section of activity available. Moodle is a open source learning management software which can be configured in your server or your desktop PC or your laptop and you can start your activity. Okay. E-assessment benefit. Through electronic assessment, what benefit you will get through this software? Using technology can bring many benefits to the assessment process and some of these are outlined below. Great varieties and authenticity in a design of assessment. Improve learner engagement, for example, through interactive formative assessment and adaptive feedback. You can also take a formative assessment. It means while taking your class first lecture, you can take some assessment. If you take second lecture, go to second lecture, you can take some assessment. In this way, continuously you can take an assessment, formative assessment. Okay. And summative means end sem and mid sem. That I will discuss in the later slide. Choice in the timing and location of the assessment. You can also launch one quiz or class test within a time limit and you can take an assessment through the through this software from student. Okay. Consistent, accurate result with opportunity to combine human and computer marking. If you launch any MCQ test or MCQ assignment, then it can be automatically be evaluated by the computer and you can take any assessment through this MCQ type test. Immediate feedback. If you want to take some feedback from your student, you can take it through this software. It's very easy, and I will show you how to take a feedback from the student every week or every weekend. You can take some feedback through this software. innovative approaches based around us of creating media and online peer and self-assessment. You can also take some launch some assignment week-wise assignment or topic-wise assignment, and you take the self-assessment from the student. Accurate, timely accessibility evidence on the effectiveness of curriculum design and delivering. If you have some curriculum design by your pedagogical format, and upload this uh, you can upload this course material in this Moodle software, and then you can deliver to the student. Okay. Now I will tell you what the formative and summative assessment are two ways to evaluate the student's learning. The difference between the formative and summative assessment: formative assessment goal is to monitor student learning day wise or week wise or topic wise or monthly wise. You can monitor it through this assessment. It means if you have topic one, you have teach topic one, and under this topic one, you create some question in a multiple choice or essay type or short type question, and then you can take the assessment to the student that what they have learned, what they will want to learn. If they have some doubt, they can take in the discussion forum, and if you have some doubt, you can also give the chat in the message box. Every facilities is there in our Moodle software. Okay. In summative assessment, goal is to evaluate student learning at the end of the instructional unit by comparing it against some standard or benchmark. If you want to take some mid-sem or end-sem exam, that also can be conducted through this Moodle software, which you can take a multiple choice, you can take an essay type, or you can take in a short type answer question. So in this way, you can make it in a summative or formative. Formative means every week you can take some assessment to the student, and summative means you can take end sem and mid sem, so that it will cover half of the portion in the mid sem, and you can cover full portion in the end sem exam. Okay. In this way, you can also take some assessment to the student. Formative and summative. Evaluate during the learning process. If you teach one topic, and you take some assessment, it means you can give some 2-3 questions for this week wise, and you can take the what we are doing in our IIT system also. Which course has big size of student? If you have 300 or 400 student in one class, then week wise we will create some question, and after completing syllabus of week one, we put some assignment mode or any class test mode, some question, and they will answering within through software, and it is evaluated automatically. If you have large number of capacity of student, then you are very difficult for you to evaluate manually. So what you will do, weekly or monthly, if you want to take some assessment from the student, then you just use this software and give some multiple choice question or any true false question or numeric question, and it will evaluate automatically, and you will get the result of the student. So evaluate during the learning process. And summative means evaluate after the course completion, that is end sem or mid sem. Okay. Monitoring the learning process. If you are teaching some subject which is very difficult for you, for student to get within one class or two class, so you just record some part of the lectures and upload it, and ask them to go through it, and it will come to a class and discuss. So online you can discuss with the student that what you have done in the last topic. So in this way also you can give some topic recorded version uploaded before the class, and ask them to go through it, and if you have any doubt, you can come to the class and discuss the doubt clearation. So in this way we can also take some classes in the in this formative means if you give some recorded lecture, so that we will tell that it is flipped classroom. If you have in normal classroom, what we'll do, we just take a lecture and give some assignment, and if student do their assignment, and then you submit in the offline. So in this software, what we can do it, we can record some lectures and upload it before the class, and ask them to go through that lecture and come to class for a discussion. In this way, we can take the assessment very clearly that what they have learned, what they have understand. If they have not understand, we can clarify their doubts. So in this way, we can also take it in the flipped classroom or traditional classroom. Traditional classroom, normally we do in the normal classroom. But flipped classroom, we can do it if we record some lectures clip wise, means not a full hour lecture. You can record it in the 10-minute or 15-minute or 20-minute one topic and upload in the Moodle software, or you can give the link of that YouTube. If you have any video which is very easy for to understand, that video link also you can give it in the Moodle software, so that student can go through that lecture and come to the class for doubt clearance section. Okay, in this way we can take some learning process, monitor the learning process, what they have learned and what we have to give them. Assign grades. Assignment grade means if you give some assignment and you can grade the assignment so that they can be assessment to the summative format. The purpose is to improve the student learning. So our main purpose is to how we can teach student and they have learned what we have teach them. So in this way, if you record some lectures and upload in the Moodle software, and there they can go through it and come to the class for next next topic we can discuss. The purpose is to evaluate student achievement, what they have achieved in this topic or in this lecture or in this course material. Okay, this is our purpose to evaluate student achievement, what they have learned, what they have got the when we check the assignment or quiz, then we know that how much they have learned and how much they have get the information from this topic. Okay, so now we have in this activity we have 4 5 activities to which we can take the online assessment to the Moodle software. First is assignment. Assignment activity in Moodle enables students to submit their coursework as a file upload on online text and allow the lecturers to access, grade and provide feedback. We launch any assignment through this software, then what happened? It can be open for 1 week or 2 days or 3 days, what you will mention in the assignment time. So they will upload their assignment, homework, and scan it and upload it. And when you are free, then you can check the assignment and give the grade. And also you can give some, provide some feedback also that you have done incorrectly or you cannot done rightly. You just go to it and do it. In this way, feedback also you can give it to their lecture, or you can give some answers in that feedback also that you have done this one, but this is a correct answer. You can give in the feedback form. Our assignment guide outline the functionality of each activity to help you to select the tools that meet your requirement. If you give some assignment in the subjective type or multiple type also, then you can submit in the same format. Means if you have a summative, means descriptive, they can type it in the Word file and upload it. If you give the multiple choice, they tick on the correct options and they can submit their assignment. Okay, so assignment we have 2 3 format. One is online text, second is upload the file, and third is multiple choice type question also. If you tick on that correct option and they submit it. Second is quiz. Quiz activity allow you to design and build quizzes consisting of large variety of question type, including multiple choice, true false, short answer question. Questions are kept in the question bank and can be used reused in quizzes in different modules. Okay, here we have started this online system in Moodle last 5 to 6 years back, and we have so many question bank in some every courses. So what teacher do, once he add all the question in the question bank, they can reuse that question for the next semester also, because course is same, student are changing but course is same, course topic is also same. So if you create question bank of 100 or 200 questions, then you can reuse for next semester, next semester also. So first what we'll do, we keep all the question in the question bank and can be reused in quizzes in different modules. Moodle quiz can help to build student confidence by providing opportunity for them to consolidate their learning and offering instant personalized feedback. Moodle quiz activities support diagnostics and formative assessment as well as summative exams. In quiz also, what we'll do, we give the formative assessment. Means every week we can launch some quiz so that student can give their answers and we can assess them as a formative format. And if you give some quiz for half syllabus of end sem or mid sem, there also we are taking some summative exams for their feedback or assessment. Okay, so in quiz also we can launch week wise for the formative assessment, and also we can give some quiz for the summative assessment. And we can also give the quiz in the different format, that is multiple choice, true and false, numeric, or you can also give the now the can we reuse the question for the other year. Please move your window away from the share application. Okay. Hello, are you there? Hello, are you getting my audio? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are getting your audio as well as screen is also visible.
Yes, yes.
It is okay, na? Till now it's okay. You got it? What I
Yes, sir.
want to tell you?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, next I will go to
Yes, Professor, continue.
next I have one activity, that is discussion forum. The forum activity allows students and lecturers to exchange ideas by posting comment as part of their thread. If you have in discussion forum, if you put one topic in the discussion forum and ask all the students to give their own opinion. So in this way, we can launch a discussion forum so that student will give their own opinion and of that topic, and then we can take some assessment that what they have learned in this topic. The forum can be used for formative and summative assessment that require student to communicate, collaborate, and debate or critique. Okay, so in this way, we can also post some forum in the forum so that they can discuss on that topic. Okay, so this activity also we have in our Moodle software. Wiki. A wiki is a collaborative design web page or series of web page. Each time a person makes changes to a wiki pages. If you have some topic and you upload that to if I give some questions that can be answered by the student, and if they want to change some question in some their own opinion, they can also change that question. Yeah, they can also give some chapter or any lessons that we have teach in this way. You can change. This example is for the mathematics. If you ask some student, if you have one problem that can be solved in this way, but you ask your student to give some solve this problem in other way also. So one problem can be solved by the 3, 4, 5 ways. So if you upload in the wiki collaborative design web page of some question and ask them to answer their question answers in the different way, so they can upload it in that wiki pages, and then student can go through it and know that this 4, 5 format can be done in this solution. So in this way, we can take some assessment from the summative or formative assessment from the student. So these facilities also available in our Moodle software. Okay, so actually this is an open source software and you can download it and configure it, and you can start through this software, so that because nowadays we have in situation that we cannot face-to-face interaction with the student. So what we do, we do it through this Moodle software, online software. Okay. Okay, this is a topic what I have taught you. That is what I would give that assessment through Moodle LMS software. Now I will tell you what is the introduction of the LMS software. That is, sir, can you mute your mic?
அப்படி வந்துடும் பாஸ் ஆனா போதும் ஃபெயில் ஆனாசியும் சர்டிஃபிகேட் வரது மட்டும் கொடுப்போம்.
Hello. Sir, can you mute your mic? Yes. Now I will tell you what is interesting about the Moodle and how it can be configured in your desktop PC, laptop, or in your server. So first, I will tell you what is the Moodle software introductory lectures, and then I will tell you how you can configure Moodle software in your system. Okay. First, Moodle is a learning management system open source web application. Moodle was originally developed by Martin Dogmas, help educator create online courses with a focus of interaction and collaborative, constructive, and construction of the content. Okay. Moodle is as a learning platform can enhance existing level of environment. As an e-learning tool, Moodle has a wide range of stable and innovative features. Standard and innovative features. Okay, Moodle was originally developed by Martin Dogmas, which is open source software, and this Moodle platform can enhance existing learning environment, and e-learning tools. Moodle was wide range of standard and innovative features. Okay. Moodle is an acronym for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. It is an online learning management system, and this is a open source software. You can download it and install it. Moodle is a robust, secure, light. Moodle can run on a single standalone computer, network server, or have it hosted. If you want to host in your server, then you can download it, configure it. If you want to configure in your laptop, that can also be done. If you want to configure in your desktop for 100 or 200 students, that can also be possible. So it can be downloadable in the single standalone computer, network server, or you can host it in the domain. Okay. What teachers can do with Moodle? In Moodle software, teachers can create online course content. They can upload the files and lessons. They can create a lessons. And also teachers can give the discussion forum, open forum. If you have any topic that you can post in the discussion forum, create online test and examination. If you want to take assessment weekly or topic wise, you can launch an online test and examination through this Moodle software. And if you want to conduct mid-sem or end-sem, that can also be possible in your Moodle software. Okay. Create online assignment. Create online assignment. Assignment also we can launch weekly or monthly, or you can also take in the end of the semester or within the middle of the semester. Share a video links. If you have any videos in YouTube that is similar to your topic, or if it is useful for in your syllabus, then you can take the link and give it in the Moodle so that student can go to that link and they can go to that topic what you have shared into this link. Okay, so this kind of activity can be done by the teachers. Create online course content, upload files and lessons, open discussion forum, create online test and examinations, create online assignment, and share video links. All these activities can be done through this software, and teachers can upload all the activities to this Moodle software. Okay, what student can do with Moodle software? Follow the lessons, what you have uploaded in the lessons. So the student will able to follow all these lessons, and they can give the test or assignment what you have launched into this Moodle software. Take a part in the chat session. If you have any chat session that topic wise, you can chat in the Moodle software, and that student can be also answer in that chat session. Upload their assignment and appear in a test. If you give some assignment in the online text type, they can type it in that box. If you give the uploading file, they can type it in the Word file, or they can write it in the plain paper, scan it, and upload in the assignment mode. Take a part in the discussion forum. If you have any discussion forum topics, and they can take part in that forum. So these all activities can be done by the student. The first what we'll do, we will install the Moodle software and then create a course. And then after creating course, we create an account for teachers and students. When create accounts has been created, then we ask teachers to do their activity. Means they can upload their course material, they can create the lessons, they can create some topic wise course material, so that teachers the student will able to see one by one topic wise. And after uploading all this course material, they can share by the student. And when student logged in that server or that desktop PC, connect to that PC, then he will able to access all this course material. And if you are planning to conduct some assessment through this online quiz or assignment, then you can launch to this software. So when you launch assignment or quiz, you just inform to the student that we have launched one assignment, or we can launch one quiz for this time to this time. You can go through it. They will go through it. Okay. So this can what student can do with this Moodle. This activity can be done by the student. Role of the teachers in Moodle and role of the student in Moodle. So I will show you side by side the role of the teachers and student in the Moodle software. First, teachers and non-entity teachers can add a topic in a discussion forum, discussion area. Student can take part in the discussion forum, discussion area. Here, the teachers can upload the study material in different format. Example, PDF, JPEG, Docs, Excel, PPTX, and also video format. Here, student can download the study material in different format. Example, PDF, JPEG, Docs, Excel, PPT, and video format. What teachers can upload it, student will able to download it and go through it. Teachers can upload assignment in descriptive format and evaluate marks and grade manually. If some teachers take assessment through descriptive type format, just like a humanities subject or any other management subject, they always give the assignment in the descriptive format, and that descriptive format can be evaluated manually. We will give some area to write it line, means 140 lines or 50 lines. You can write it in the that box in that area box, and then they can save it. So that answer will come to the teachers. So we can also ask student to write in the plain paper and scan it and upload in the file, that assignment 1 file, assignment 2 file, in this way. Student can upload solution of assignment in Word or PDF format. Teachers can take quiz, multiple choice, that will be evaluated automatically in the Moodle software. But if you have 400 or 300 students strength of one class, and then if you want to conduct assessment weekly or topic wise, then you can take some multiple choice answer so that it can be evaluated automatically. If you give some numeric type question also, that if you give some question and give the student will be able to give only the value of that marks, value of that answer. Okay, they will no need to type any text format. They can give the numerical value. That I will show you all the activity what I'm telling here. I will show through this software. Okay, one by one. Teachers can take quiz, multiple choice, that will be evaluated automatically in the Moodle. Student can take quiz as instructed by the teachers. When you are launching any quiz, you just send a mail or send a message that tomorrow there is a quiz class test from this time to this time, and within this time you have to complete your quiz. So that message can be sent by the teachers or their admin. Teachers can take a feedback in any subject. Here teachers can also take a feedback. Okay. Student can give the feedback in any subject launched by admin or teachers. So these all activity can be done by the teachers through this software to taking some assessment of the student, and student can give all their assignment, quiz, or discussion forum, take up feedback. All the activity can be done by the student. So this is a activity which can be done through this Moodle software. Now I will tell you what is the difference between a traditional classroom and flipped classroom. In traditional classroom, what we'll do, instructor prepare material to be delivered in the class. First, teacher prepare a material and come to class and deliver the lectures. Student listen to the lectures and other guide instructor in the class and take note. The student will take some notes and then you give some assignment or homework assigned to demonstrate understanding. So this is a traditional classroom, means where teacher come to class, prepare with their lecture note and deliver the lecture. Student listen the lectures and if they have some take note, they will take some note and then teacher will give some assignment or homework that can be done in their home task. Okay, this is a traditional classroom. But now, if you convert in traditional classroom to flipped classroom, what instructor will do? Instructor record some course material and share lecture outside of the class, means they can upload in the Moodle software or any online software. They can share it before the class. So what we'll do, student watch and listen to lectures before coming to class. If you deliver some part of your lectures beforehand, then what we'll do, student will go through that lectures and they learn and they come to class. Class time is devoted to applied learning activity and more higher order thinking task. If you have given some lecture note beforehand and then if ask your student to go through that lecture note and come to class for more discussion, this is very useful for the student to gather more information from the teachers. But in traditional classroom, what we'll do, we will take only 1 hour lectures within that time schedule, and within that time schedule we have to complete their syllabus also, so there is no time to discuss with student more and efficiently. But if you give here before the class, if you give some lecture note to the student, they can go through that lecture note and they come to class and discuss with you that, sir, ma'am, I have this doubt, sir, I have this doubt, and we can clear that doubt. But in traditional classroom, we don't have time to clear the doubt. Class time is devoted to apply learning activity and more higher order thinking tasks. If you have some innovative thing, then you can share it to the teachers and that can be discussed in the real classroom. Student receive support from instructor and peer to need. Student receive some support from the instructor and then they can do their assignment. But if you give some assignment of online, then they can do their assignment. So this is a difference between the traditional classroom and flipped classroom. Traditional classroom, normal the classroom what we do in the classes. But in flipped classroom, we can give some more time to record some lectures and upload in the Moodle software or through the mail or through the Google Drive. And then we ask student to learn it and come to class for more discussion. So here we can give some more point or more output to the student. Okay. Now I will tell you how to install and configure the Moodle LMS software. I will just give some screenshot so that you can see that screenshot and you can configure Moodle software in your desktop or laptop. Okay, so I just have some screenshot here. First, learning objective of this presentation is we learn how to download and install web server. Web server means WAMP or LAMP. WAMP for Windows Apache MySQL server and LAMP for Linux Apache MySQL PHP. So we can download this software web server freely to the YouTube. You just search in the Google and you can get the server. You can download it and install Moodle software. System prerequisite. Here we need minimum requirement of the system, that is 1 GB RAM minimum, 4 GB RAM recommended. If you have 50 or 100 student of capacity of class, then you can go for 4 GB RAM. 1 GB is minimum. It can be installed, but if you want to give some access to the student, then you just go to 4 GB RAM. 1 GB free disk space for more space needed depending upon your upload. If you have more course material, if you have more PPT file or PDF file, then you can go for 1 TB hard disk. But minimum it will require 1 GB free disk space for installation of the Moodle software. For Moodle 3.1 and later version, now we have 3.9 version, update version. So we already configured in our institute. Windows Vista 7, 8, Windows 10, Windows 2008 or Windows 2012 server. You can also configure in the Moodle Ubuntu or Linux platform. Okay. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 distributed package required for PHP. Download link. I have given the link of the download link. You can download it to this link. Okay, this is a VC redis.x86.exe download as PHP build of 32-bit. Okay, if you have a 64-bit, then you can download 64-bit exe file, and if your system is 32-bit, you can download the 32-bit exe file. Okay. Now, guide to install WAMP server. Go to official WAMP server's website and download the WAMP server 32-bit or 64-bit. That is your system requirement, which system you have. WAMP server website, that is a WAMP server website I have given here. Run, download it, WAMP server exe setup. Okay. This is when you start on the setup button, then this window will display. That is screenshot I have taken. Okay, that is you have to choose the language. Okay. Then go to click on the accept agreement and then click on next. I just go fast because this is only the screenshot what I have taken while installing the Moodle software, and I just share to you. If you want, then I can share this PPT to you, and then you can go through this screen and you can install. Okay. Then click on next button. Then we have to give the C path C:\vamp64, and then next, and then vamp64, and then next. Now install. When you click on install, it will take some few times, means 10 to 15 minutes, and it will install it. Okay, now go to next button and finish. So this is a part of the installation of the WAMP server, which is Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP. If you want to run Moodle software in your system, you need at least Apache, MySQL, and PHP. MySQL for database, Apache for web server, and PHP for coding. Okay, and this Moodle is developed through this PHP code. So it is open source software, and you can configure it your own requirement. Okay, then you just click on the finish, and then after click on finish, your WAMP server is installed, and here is the WAMP server icon, and just click on start all services. Okay. Now, when you complete your WAMP server installation, you just go to localhost and click localhost, then this window will display. And now I will tell you that while after installation of WAMP server, you have installed Apache 2.x, MariaDB, PHP. Okay. For this presentation, I will be using Windows 10, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, Windows WAMP server, Moodle 3.8.3, and Google Chrome web browser. For this installation, I am using these types of software. That is Windows 10, Apache, PHP, and MariaDB, and Moodle 3.8 version is 3.8.3 plus, and Google Chrome web browser. Okay, guide to install Moodle software. Go to official website Moodle and download the Moodle software 3.8.3 plus. I have given the link. You can download it and save this folder to this path C:\vamp64/www. Under that folder, you have to copy that Moodle folder and paste it. And then you just click on the web browser localhost Moodle. Then this window will come. This window will come. Okay, and then it will ask for the language. You just select English language and then click on the next button. Then it will ask all the information, that is first web address, localhost Moodle. Moodle directory means WAMP www Moodle, it is stored in that here folder. Now you just go to that data directory here C:\vamp Moodle data. All the directory you have to check where it will store all the details, all the folders. Okay, and then click on the next button. Here it will ask Moodle database name. Database name, if you give Moodle, it is okay. If you give your own database name also in your institute name, okay. And database users password, and then click on the next button, and then it will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes to install all the features, and then click on the continue button. After click on that continue button, it will ask your username, means Moodle software username. You just give your username admin, or you can give your other name also, but preferably I will give admin, and new password. Password means you can give your password, but while giving password, you have to give some authentication. That is one capital letter, one at least 6 character, and at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase letter, and at least 1 uppercase letter. Lastly, 1 alphanumerical. Means if you want to give the password of minimum 8 character, then you just go to India $321, India I capital, India INDA I capital, dollar, that is alphanumerical, and 123 is a numeric value. One uppercase is I, lowercase NDIA, numeric value is 123, alphanumeric is dollar. So in this way, you can set your password. Okay. Then give your time zone, Asia, Kolkata, and then give your description of this page. If you have any description of the institute or your university, you can copy and type it here, paste it here. And then new setting front page site. First, you give your full site name. If your institute name, you can want to give it here, your institute name, and short name. If you have any short name of the institute, that can also give it here. And summary of the institute. If you have any summary, you just copy and paste it here. And then again, you have to give the location setting, Asia, Kolkata, and self-registration. This is also one important part. If you want to give student their self-registration, then you just enable this button. But in our institute, we will not give the self-registration, we register student. Because if you give self-registration on, enable, then student will register. They have 2-3 email address and they will register in the different email address and they will chaos. Means while giving the class test or exam, they will not able to log in because they have used 3-4 email address, and which email address they have given, they forgot it and they are not able to log in. So if you disable this self-registration and you just ask one admin person to register students once, that can be recorded in your record book so that they can share their login ID password, login ID credential, because they have 2-3 more email address and they will create their account in different email address and they will forget. So we will not able to track the which mail ID he has given and he has created account. So that's why we create disable self-registration disable, and we create all the account for the student and share to the student. And teacher also we will create and share. Okay, so that's why we disable the self-registration button. Okay, and then here we have to give the email address of the student. No, not student, it is admin. If you want to send a message or if you want to send a message to the student through this software, we have one message send activity in this software. So if you want to send some message through this software, then you just give your institute mail ID here so that they know that from this mail ID I have received one mail regarding that Moodle software or any other activity. Okay, so you just give your institute mail ID here, and after giving all your information, this is our website what we will launch in our Moodle software. So this is a front page, that is Digital India LMS, and we have given the admin user, and this is our front page of the Moodle page. Okay, and then I have my mail ID. If you have any doubt regarding installation or configuration of Moodle software, you can ping me. I will give you all the details. I will, if you give me the TeamViewer ID and password remote desktop also, we can configure through remotely. So this is my mail ID. You can write it down in a note. Okay, now I will show you how to do all this activity through this Moodle software. So now I will log in the Moodle software and tell you how to take an assessment through this Moodle software from the student. Okay. Okay, hello. Up to this point, you understand? Hello.
Yes, brother, you can continue. Yes.
Hello. Hi. Yes, sir.
Sir,
You have
sir,
any?
you can proceed, sir.
I can proceed. Okay, fine. I will show you the site. This is our Moodle site after configuration. So we already have a domain name. So the students are out of the station, means they are not in the campus. So last semester, we also conducted 300 courses through this Moodle software, and regular we will take a class test assignment every week, and then we have taken the assessment of all the student, and that can be completed within November. 28th of November is complete last semester, and now we are running the first semester of the first year student. Actually, they have taken a late admission. They have taken admission in the month of October, and from December 1st, we already started our first year students class. So, so we already started in our Moodle software the activity of the first year student. So in first year we got in this year we got 1900 student, and we already register all the student in our Moodle software, and we already started our activity. So I will show you how we can create an assignment, how we have class test, and how we will create a lessons in our this so that they can give the lessons wise, we can take an assessment to the student. So I just logging in the admin. Hello. So I am just connecting. Okay, this is our software. You just see now so many students are logged in, and they are doing say their assignment, or they can some teachers has already logged in the give an assignment for this weekend, and already they have started logging and they are doing the assignment. I just show you. Just see in this basic engineering mechanics, we already started so activity. So you just see online assignment, second 35 marks, due 28 12 20, means within 20 you have to submit. You just click on this online assignment. You just see we have how many participants in this course, in this particular course. You just click on the participants. You just see we have 937 participants in this course. Okay, this is the first year half batch. This is section 1 to 10, and section 11 to 12 they are in the different course. Now in first year they have some common courses, that is chemistry, physics, maths, mechanical, civil, English. So this is a mechanical part, and half section will go to the civil part, civil department, and then after second semester they will swap. They will come to the other 11 to 20 section will come to the mechanical course, and 1 to 10 section will go to the civil course. So in this way we will swap and complete within the 1 year. So in this course you just see 937 students already registered, and we have already started our class, and first assignment is over. You just see first assignment how many students are attempt. 893 students already given their output. You just click on attempt, and you just see they have get the marks also. 35 out of 35. He got 10 10 10 out of 35. He got out of 35 15. He got 0. He got 25. So in this way we will get all the details of the student. You just see 893 students has given there, and in this way we also give the get the report. overall number of students achieve grade range. You just see in this way we can also get the report. In this way we are regular basis we are giving the assignment assessment to the student. Means we are taking the all the assessment for this course. We already launched one assignment that is over. Second assignment going on. Actually we have launched yesterday only, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Within Sunday they have to complete. Within 2012 days, Sunday 11:59 they have to complete the assignment. Again second assignment we have already prepared, but this is on the hidden mode. When it will come, it will automatically online. So in this way also you can make it your assignment week wise or topic wise and keep it in the hidden mode. You just see all are written here. All the topics have been hidden from the student, but this is only enabled to the student. Others are hidden in the from the student. Also we have created some test also, but it is on the hidden mode. When it will be, time will come, date will come, automatically it will enable. Okay, so in this way you can prepare your assessment, assignment or class test before the class, and you just keep it in the hidden mode from the student, and one by one you can unhide and ask student to give their assessment. Okay, so this is a one part. Now I will show you. You just go to the side home. You just see we have so many courses for first year only. This is only first year. Basic engineering mechanics and mathematics also we have so many section wise. All the course materials are already uploaded. You just see they uploaded all the course material PDF file, and student will go to that assignment. Also they have given in this way. They have given the assignment question, and they can student can do their assignment and upload in the Moodle page. Okay. You just see mathematics, chemistry also we have created so many courses. Civil also you just see engineering drawing. Here you just go to this course. So many assessment has already launched, and students are able to give their assignment or class test, and all this has been done. You just see all has been done before the class and display to the student, and they all are going to this all lecture notes, and they are giving their assignment. You just see here also we have already launched one assignment, that is assignment in orthography projection, and how many participants are 91 and already submitted 84. You just click on the assignment PDF file. You will see the question, how they have given the question, and student download the question and they can give the answer in write in the paper and scan and upload it. Okay. Okay, this is a question. So we have close it, and again I will show you how to just going to first dashboard, and now we will create one test course and we'll show you how to create all this activity. First we'll create show you how to create a test course. Okay, just click on the add new button. Okay, now course full name. If you have any course name, you just keep it your course name here. Course name 2, test course 2. If you have any short name, your number, then you can go give the course code, course ID. Course ID option we have below also, that is course ID. 001. Okay, and here we will give all the details. That's course start date, when it will start 19th, and it will end date. You can give it in 1 hour or 1 year or 6 months. But if you click in the disable, then it will not over anytime. It will continue. Okay, and here if you have any course description, then you just type it here, you copy paste it here and upload it here. If you have any PDF file, that can also you can upload it here. Okay, and then course format, we have so many format, that is topic format, social format, weekly format. You just select any format, and a number of sections, minimum it is by default it is 10, but you can extend it for 20 or 30. Okay, and role renaming, if you while creating a course, you just give the role. First is admin. If you give for this course, if you create one admin role, you just type it here. In the case of manager, admin. Okay, in the case of faculty, you can give the teacher. And if you have any TA, then teaching assistant, you can give it here, teaching assistant role. And student, yeah, student, you can give a participant, that can also give it to participants. Okay, then save and display. You just see, you have create one course, class test 2, and in this course you just create one assignment. First I will show you how to create an assignment, then quiz and other activity. First I will show you. First step is to first step is to click on turn editing on button. Okay, because when you click on this button, then only you get all the activities. Click on that. Now you just see side by side of topic 1, you have got edit button. This is the edit button. Okay, in topic 1, if you want to edit topic 1 name as a lecture 1, then just go to that lecture 1, to edit options, and type it here, lecture 1, then save. You just see topic 1 we have renamed as a lecture 1. Now in this lecture 1, if you want to add one assignment, in this lecture 1, if you want to add some course material, first I will add one course material. Okay, so first click on add an activity or resource. You just see here we are getting file, assignment, quiz, but so many activities are there. Okay, so first we'll create on file and give the file name. If this is an introductory lecture, then just go to write it introduction. Okay, and if you have any description of the introduction, you can copy and paste it here and then upload the file. If you have any PDF file or PPT file, you just click here, upload file, choose a file, then select a file destination where your file is there, and then we just give one. For example, we just demonstration, we just give you one file in PDF format. Upload this file. Okay, this file already uploaded. And if you have to give the embedded format, just click on the embedded, so that it will embed in that web page only. Okay, that page only. Okay, and save. And if you want to give some restricted access, then you can give it here. Okay, date, if you within date it will be able, and after that it will not able to see, student will not able to see. Okay, in this way you can restrict this data. Okay, and then you just click on that, and this is our course material. You just go to class test 2. You just see within lecture 1 we uploaded one course material in the PDF format. If you want to upload in the video format, if you want to upload the PPT file, you can upload it any format. Okay. You just see, while after uploading, we get this PDF file. Student can able to download it and go through it. Okay. So this is how the step how to upload the course material in this Moodle page. Now we'll show you how to give the assignment mode. Okay. So first, same steps. So first I will show you assignment. So first we'll show you assignment. The assignment, just click on the assignment. Give the assignment name, assignment 1 or assignment 2 or assignment 3. You just mention it here. Okay, 1. And then if you have a description that this assignment will start from this time, if you end from this time, due date, starting date, all the information you can give it here. Last date of submission, 28 December 2020, 5 p.m. Okay, so in this way you can give the description, and you can change the color, size, formatting. You can do it here. Okay. Okay, this is one option, and click on the display description on the course page. So it will display in the course page. Okay, now we will give it here. We will give it the question of the assignment. If you prepare a question in the PDF file or Word file, you can copy it and paste it here, or you can upload the file. Okay, click on the upload file and choose a PDF or PPT file. Assignment 1. Upload this file. So this, see, we have given the file, assignment file, mean question here. Now we will set the timing of the assignment. It will start from now and it will end within 28. We have to upload the assignment, complete your assignment. The start date, due date, cutoff date, we have to set it here. Start date, due date, and cutoff date. Okay. And then here we have two options. You just see online text or file submission. If you give online text, then we have to mention the number of word or number of lines, word limit 500. And if you give the file submission, then you can give the single file or one file, two file, or three file. You can mention it here. Okay. And file size also you can mention it here. It is within 10 MB or 50 MB. That can also we can mention it here. Okay. And then give the feedback if you want to feedback type. If you have any, yeah, then you can. But grade. In grade we will give the point. So it is a 20 marks, 30 marks, that we can mention it here. Okay. And then restriction access. If you want to give this access restriction, means it will start on that time only. So then you can give it here the restriction that. Okay, date, we have mentioned the date. On that date only it will start. Then save and display. You see, last date of submission of 20 December 5 p.m. Sunday, 1 day, 5 hours left to submit. Okay, then go to again just back to the course. You just see in this lecture 1 we have uploaded one course material, one PDF file, and we have launched one assignment. Okay, now we'll show you how to create a quiz. Now you just see, but you have to create one student. Let us cat code. Okay, after uploading the assignment, we can show you how to create a, how to give the grades, how to evaluate the descriptive assignment question. Okay, so now just see, when you click on the assignment, one participants are there that I have added one student, and then you just click on view and all submission. So now the student has not submitted. You submit one. I ask one student to submit one assignment. So we logging by student logging, and then Now student is logging to submit their assignment. Okay. Now just see test course 2. We are now now we are showing to the student mode. Okay, now one student had logged in and he submit their assignment. First, he will see the question in the PDF file what we have given. Question has been downloaded. You can assignment 1 calculator. This is a question. Okay, and then student will upload the answer. So click on add submission. If you are online text, you can type it here anything. And if you have any file, then you just upload the file, drag, select file, choose file. And then upload this file, save changes. So this is a student logging where we have shown you how to upload the assignment, how to give your assignment and save it. Now we will go to shift to the teachers window and show you how to give a grade of this assignment. You just see, if you refresh it, assignment 1, you see one student already submitted. You just go to view grade all submission, view all submission. Now you just see one PPT docs file has been already uploaded. Just click on the doc file. You just check the assignment. This is the assignment, and then you sample what we have. We have uploaded one file, and then close it. Now we'll give the grade. How? Just click on the grade. Now just see, you will get the answer of the student, and later you can give your grade out of 20, 40. So you can also feedback. You can give the feedback here, good, or you can give that you have done some wrong mistake and you can do it this way. All the feedback you can give it here and save changes. Okay. Now you just see we already given the grade of that assignment. Okay, now you got 10 out of 20. But now you can go to student logging and show you how he got the grade. How it will show that grade is given by this assignment. Graded. Acha. After this is graded. Okay, showing that this is graded. Okay, and now we'll show you. Go teacher window, and now we'll show you how to. Now, if you have any student has, if one student has uploaded a PDF file, then we'll show you how to navigate. Means if you have done some mistake, you can write it there and you can save it there, so that student will know that I have done a mistake here and teacher has given the correction, done the correction. So that I will show you how to annotate. Annotation I will show you. Okay, now go open that here. This is a PDF file. Here, if some students have done some wrong mistake, you can annotate here that this part is not correct. You can write it here. Right. What is the highlighter? Okay. It is text. It is you just see, if you give some feedback in your PDF file, that can also be done. We just like a real paper they have submitted, and you just giving the feedback, or you can highlight this is wrong, this is the correct. In this way, you can give all the you can annotate all these things and save it. Okay, and now just see in the student view, This is a grade out of 20 has got 10, and annotate. If you click on that PDF file, you will get all these things. Huh? Here annotated. Okay. So in this way, you can assess you can take assessment from the student, and you also give the feedback to the student that this has been done in this course. Okay.
వీడియోలో సరిగ్గా వినిపించదు ఉండదు.
Is it okay? Ma'am, sir, is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can proceed, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I will show you how to create how to create a quiz for objective question, multiple choice, numerical, true, false. All we will show you how to create a quiz in the same way. So first I will go to that same step. After logging, click on turn editing on button and add an activity source, and then click on quiz. First we'll create one quiz. Quiz 1, and then if you have any description that what is the how many questions are there in this quiz, what is the full marks, time limit, you can give all the details here. Total question 10, full marks 20, time limit within 20 minutes you have to complete your quiz class test. So in all these details can be done, given here. Okay, and click on the, you just change the format. Okay, now here this is important features. Here we have time limit, means if you have 200 or 300 student capacity of the class, then you open the window, this class test window, for 40 minutes, but we will define the time limit of the exam is 20 minutes. So within that 40 minutes, when they logged in, they will get the 20 minutes only. After 20 minutes, it automatically submit. Okay, you just see we launch this quiz from 11:30 to 12:10. It means 40 minutes, but time limit of the exam will be only 20 minutes. So within this range, within this time, those students will logged in, they will get only 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you automatically submit. You just see here we have given the open attempt are submitted automatically. Okay, so after 20 minutes is automatically it will close. And now we'll give the grade. What is the grade of the year? So we'll not give down now. Layout. Allowed 1. If you have attempt allowed 1. If you want to give 2 allowed, then attempt, then you just click on the 2. Okay. Layout. Every question in 1 page, or if you give 2-3 questions in the 1 page, that you can define it here. But obviously we give only 1 page. Every time we'll give the 1 page in 1 question, because one by one they will go and they will give the answers. Okay. And here we have one option, that is free or sequential. If you have 100, you have 50 question for this quiz question, then if you click on free, then when student attempt question 1 and they go to question 2, they can come back again to question 1 and edit. They can change the answer. They can change the options. Okay. But if you click in the sequential mode, then if one student attempt question 1, when they go to question 2, that is freeze. Question 1 will freeze. It will not, they will not able to come to question 1 and they can edit. So when we have 10 or 15 question of quiz, then we keep it in the sequential mode, so that they cannot come back and they cannot edit the answer of the question 1 or question 2, because they will ask to their student and they can do it. So that's why what we'll do, we make it in a sequential mode. But if you have 50 or 100 question of quiz, then I think they can come and they can, because that is, they cannot come back forward for 100 question and they ask the answer. So we have 2 options. You can make it in the free, or you can make it in the sequential mode. Okay. And here we have the review options, where we have, after attempt the quiz, you can show the answers. You just show the answers or give them some marks or right answer, all these things. So this review can be opened after attempt the quiz. When the quiz will close, then they will get all the answers, correct answers. They will be able to see what they have done, what they have done wrong. All the feedback can be shown by the teachers. That is review options after the quiz will close. Okay, and then save and display. So this is a step what we have shown you, that is how to create a quiz. But in this quiz, we didn't add any question till now. So now we will, next step is to add a question. Now we will add multiple choice question, numeric type question, or or yeah, or true and false, or match the following. Now we will set how to add a question in which format. So you just see here we have given allowed one, attempt allowed one. The quiz opened Saturday 19 December 10:30 a.m. Quiz will close on Saturday 19 December 12:10 p.m. It means 40-minute window will open. Within 40 minutes, you have to attempt, and you will get only 20-minute time limit. You just give, you have seen that we have given the time limit 20 minutes of this quiz. Okay. Now we will show you how to add a question in this question bank, in a question bank. Just click on the edit quiz and set the time. If 10 marks, sorry, set the marks. We have defined that we will set the question of 20 marks. So we have given 20 marks. Now shuffled. If you want to shuffle the questions, so just click on the shuffle button so that question will shuffle. Means question 1 will come to student 1 as a sequential 1, and question 1 will come to the student 2 in the fourth sequence, fourth number. So in this way we can shuffle the questions. And also we have option shuffle. So double shuffle. We have question shuffle plus option also we can shuffle, so that option they will not get in the sequential mode. Means they will get, some student will get options 1, 2, 3, 4 in the sequence, and other people will get, others will get 3, 4, 2 in this way. So here we have double shuffle. In question also we have shuffled, and option also we have shuffled. Okay, now we will add a new question. Just click on new question, and if you have created a question bank, then we collect from the question bank. So now we are creating a question in the question bank first. Okay, but first to define that, what type of question you will create: multiple choice, numerical choice, calculates, formula. So many options are there. You just see. So first I will show you how to create a multiple choice. Then I will show you numerical and descriptive essay, all these things. Okay, multiple choice. So default, it will go to test course 2. Okay, and we are giving the question name question 1. Now we'll type question text. This is a question text. Just copy and paste it here. Which energy is converted into electrical energy by a solar cell? This is a question. And default marks 2. You just type it 2. General feedback, will not give it now. ID number, will not give it now. 1 multiple answer. It is, if you have 2 multiple options right, then you just answer, click on multiple answer allowed. But in this question, we are giving only 1 answers only, means 1 options is correct. Okay, then which option is correct? Just type the options, chemical energy, and then if it is option is wrong, then keep it as a none. If you want to give a negative marking, then you can minus 25% or 10%, that you can define it here. Okay, if you want to give it negative point for this question. Okay, if it is not, then none. Second options, this is also incorrect. The same, just copy and paste it and none. Third options, this is a correct answer. Then what we'll do, type in third options and click on that and give it 100%. It means this is a correct options. If you have 2 options right, then C options 50 and B options 50 you have to give it. But if you have 1 options correct, then you have to give that options 100%. And their fourth option also incorrect. That is, we have given the none. Multiple tries, 0. We are not giving the multiple tries, single tries. Save changes. You just see questions as created. Just click on preview. This is a preview of the question, how it will display in the student login. You just see which energy is converted into electrical energy by a solar cell. So we have 4 options: magnetic energy, solar energy, nuclear energy, and chemical energy. But while launching the quiz, before we can check it that we have given the correct options correct or not. So just click on fill in correct response, and it will show that this is a correct answer. Okay, then you just launch the quiz. So this is what we have shown you, that multiple choice question. Now we'll show you how to create a numeric question. Okay, same steps, add new, and then go to numerical type question. Question name, question 02. Question text, just copy and paste it. This is a numerical question. Okay, so we have set a question, copy the question text and paste it here. Okay, no need to give the number because by default it number will come. Only give the question text. Value, marks, total marks, default marks 2. Okay, now we'll give the options. And if you have in your question, if you have an image, then how to import the image, that will show you. Okay, just create a image, figure 1, save it as a okay. We have created one image of that picture and just insert an image. This is the image icon. Insert, edit image, browse the image, give a path. Now insert, open, and upload this image. Okay, in this question we have the image. Okay, this numerical question we have some circuit, because in electronics and mechanical department they have some question with the image. So that's why we have shown you how to create a numerical question with image. And here we have given the answer. If you have any range of that answer, that also we can give it here. Okay. So we have range of 18 to 20. Within this range, if they give some answer, they will get the right 100% marks. And if it give not, then it will be 0. Okay, then 100%. Save changes. Multiple tries, keep it 1 tries, 0%, and then save changes. You see, we have created one numeric question, and this is a preview of the student, means how they will get. You just see, we have given the question and answer, and this is a box where they will give the, and this is area where they will give the answer. If before launching the quiz, we just check that we have given the correct answer or not, fill in the correct response. You just see, we have checked that it is question is okay, then we launch. Before launching a question or quiz, just cross check once, because sometimes we make some mistakes or anything, so we can check it and then. Okay, close preview. Okay, we have shown you how to create a multiple choice and numeric question. Now we will show you how to make a match the following. Okay. Now we show you how to create a question in a match of following matching type. Okay. Now question 3, question text, match the following, value 4. 6 marks. of this question, and then we will give the question. Actually, we have prepared on all the question in the Word file and we copy and paste. You also do it in this way. You prepare question in the Word file first, and then while creating a quiz, you just copy and paste it. Okay, here we have only we have 3 options, so we can add blank 3 more questions. Okay, if you have options of now we can give it 0% and save changes. You see, match the following. We have created one matching question. Click on preview, and in this way we can, it is previewing. Student will be able to see in this way. Okay. Fill in correct response. Okay, in this way we can create a match the following. Now we'll show you how to create a essay type. Acha. We'll show you as essay type, and then we'll show you in student login how it show to all the questions. Now we'll show you how to add a essay type. For the humanities and management course, you can also launch a essay type questions. 10 marks. Okay, and here we can give it the number of lines, 40 or 20. Maximum we have 40 lines. Let's do 40 lines. We have maximum we have 40 lines. Allow attachment. If you give the online text, or you can give the attachment file, we can give it both the IA, and then save changes. Essay type question is very easy. You can create it. You just see is a you see this is a question, and we have given the text, online text also. They can type it here, or you can upload the file also. They can upload the file also. Okay, now we have logged in the student login. This is a student credential, and you just see we have launched so many quiz. So we'll see one by one. Click on quiz, attempt quiz now. Start attempt. This is a student login. How they will attempt this, and you just see time left, 6 minutes left, and you have to complete within 6 minutes. Okay. In this way, we can launch a descriptive question. Okay, and you can upload the file also, PDF file or PPT file or what file. If you type it, and you can upload it here. Okay. Match the following also, you can do it. This is student view. Student will be able to access the quiz, and they will give the answers. This is a numeric type question. And this is a multiple choice question. All are shuffled, na? So that's why it's coming in the shuffle mode. Okay, submit all and finish. We are submitted. Okay. After quiz, they will get the answers and all the correct answers. So this is a teacher view, teacher attempt. Attempt 1 already attempt. Teacher able to see that student already submit their test. Click on the review attempt. Here we have to give the grade because this is a descriptive question. You have to evaluate and make click on make override mark, and then here you have to grade how out of 10 what he has got it. Okay, save it, because this is descriptive question, means you have to evaluate manually. And multiple choice, match the following, automatically evaluated. Numeric question also automatically evaluated because you have given the right answers, and multiple choice also. But in descriptive, you have to check the answer and give the grade. Okay. So in this way, we can take the assessment weekly, topic wise, or monthly. So in this way, we have already taken, last semester we have taken so many assessment, and we have done the. Now you can download the student list. After completing the quiz, here we have only one student, but if you have 100 or 200 students, then you can download it in the Excel file and give it to the ERP section or your exam section, that this is the student name, roll number, and their total marks of the quiz or assignment in this way. Okay, you just see, if you download in Excel format, it will come in this way. You just see, it will come in this way, that name, first name, last name, ID number, email address, and then department, state, finish, and what question, how much time he has spent in this quiz. All details are given here. You just see, time taken, how much time he has taken to complete this quiz. All the details are given it here. Okay, you download it Excel format and share to your academic section or any ERP section. Okay, now we'll show you how to create a lesson so that you can take assessment topic wise. Means if you create one lessons and give some 2-3 questions of that lessons, and then student will able to give their answers. Go through the lessons and their answers. Okay, now we'll show you how to create a lessons. Same steps, turn it on button, go to add an activity resource, and go to lesson. Lesson 1. Okay, descriptive. Now, just last submission of 20 December 2020. Progress bar, yes. Display menu, yes. 19 December from 8 AM. 12. স্যার আমি একটু ব্যস্ত আছি, আমি আপনার আধ ঘন্টা পর ফোন করছি, আধ ঘন্টা পরে। আমি আধ ঘন্টা পরে ফোন করছি। Now we will give the time limit from 12 to 5. Time limit is 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, now we'll give you the allow student review. Save and display. import a question. Content page. Nice introduction. Let's give you the content of that page. Next page. Jump to next page. Save. You just see we have created one topic content page, and then we will give some question of this content page. So this is a real assessment. If you want to create some lessons topic wise or subject wise, then they will give the assessment of that topic wise page wise, lessons wise. Add a question page. Now we'll give the title of the page, question 1, MCQ, question 1, hearing. Okay, and page content. Okay, fine. And then answer. If it is correct, then correct, well done. If it is incorrect, then go to next page. Wrong, check it again. Previous page. Answer 3. Okay, in this way it will preview. So now we will show you lesson. Click on the lessons. Lesson 1. It will come the content page. It will come the lessons content page, and then go to next page. When you go to next page, then the question will come of that topic. And if you give the answers correct, then go to submit. Then you can go to the wrong page. If you are give the student will give the wrong answer, then wrong, check again. Again, you just click on continue page. You go to the previous page, and you can go through again and give the right answers. If you give the right answer, then you can go to OK. Attempt moving the next page. Achha. Or a page, you can give one more page, and then you can go to the next page. Okay. In this way, we can create a content page for lessons, and we can take an assessment page wise, means lessons wise. If you have one topic, break it in the 2-3 lessons, and you can make it a lessons wise assessment. So this is a third point which we have shown you. Now we will show you how to take a feedback from the Moodle software in this for this course. Okay. So finally, we'll show you how to create a feedback. Okay, same steps. Click on the add an active resource and go to click on that feedback button. Feedback. Okay. Feedback session or feedback. Description. If you have any description, you can type it here, and then go to availability, means when it will start and when it will end. Okay. (12 to 5 p.m.) After submission, well done. Yeah, we thank you for your valuable feedback. After submitting their feedback, they will get this message. Now, save and display. So we have created a feedback form, but now we have to add the question. Choose. Here also you can choose any multiple choice or numeric or any descriptive question. So first we'll show you how to create a multiple choice. One question. Course content. Just we have given the common feedback form field. Okay, save question and then go to the multiple choice again and give another question. Yes. In this way, we have created numeric category. No text. Short answer type. And when you click on the require button, means it's a mandatory. Without you have to submit something. You have to give some answers. It's a mandatory field. Now you just see in the student view, we have already given the feedback. Just click on the feedback. You see, click on the add the question, and this is a feedback question what we have launched it here, and just give it here and just give a short type answer also and save your answer. So we have given the feedback, and here we can see in teacher window we can see the analyze of the feedback. Okay, in this way we can also launch the feedback through this software. Okay, so here what we have shown, first we have shown you how to upload the course content. If you make some course content a PDF or PPT or any video format, you can upload it here. Then you can give the assignment of that topic what you have uploaded there. Then we have created some quiz in the assessment mode, means weekly quiz or topic wise quiz. You can create the quiz, and also we can create a lessons so that people will student will go one by one page and they can go understand the page and they can give the answers. And finally, we have show you how to create a feedback for this course. Means after completing your course, you can take a feedback from the student that how you got the information about this course material and other things. Okay, so this is a way how we have take a weekly or monthly or topic wise assessment through this Moodle software. Now I have some now you can have some discussion. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. I can answer your doubt.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Myself, Muthukumar from Chennai, sir. We have been using Canvas platform for online teaching these days. Can we switch over to Moodle straight away? Is it free available?
No, in Moodle is a LMS software learning software, which we can take the assessment of the student. But real online classroom we have to take from the Zoom or Google Meet or any other Microsoft Teams software, to which you can take the online classes. But here you can take all the assessment, assignment, feedback, or you can upload your course material, or can give the link of the video links software. So this is a software through which you can take an assessment to the student. But you cannot take a live classroom. But there has one plugin that is Microsoft Teams plugins are available, but you can add the plugin in your Moodle software, but you have to take the license of the Microsoft Teams.
Okay.
Okay, but live
Yes.
classroom you
Given
can
the
take
situation,
any other
students are not
software.
accessible.
No, not accessible. This is only for the LMS software through which you can take the assessment of the student, assessment from the student.
Yes.
Okay, so this software
My
has
question
so
was
many
like
features.
students are not accessible.
Which one?
If students are not accessible to the computers or laptops or the desktop versions, can they take it in the phone
Yeah,
version?
mobile.
Yeah,
Yes, mobile also they can access. If you configure in a if you configure this website in your domain, then you can access from there. You can access our KGP module new.it, but you don't have any login, you cannot enter, but you can access the website. That address what we have given now,
Okay.
that KGP module new.it kgp.in, you can access through your mobile. You can type it down, you can get this, but you don't have a login, you will not able to enter in this site, but you will access this site, this domain. Okay, you just configure one module in your laptop, and if you have a modem, then you can configure it a domain also. You have some public IP in that modem. You just give that public IP in your config.php file. Then you can ask your student, they can access from their mobile.
Okay.
What we have already done in my college, now in pandemic period, they have only modem in their college. So we have configured a Moodle server, and we have given the public IP of that modem in that config.php of Moodle page, and they are able to access. Student will able to access to the mobile in their hometown.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any more doubt? Yeah, any query? If you have any query, you can ask me.
Sir, some questions are posted in chat box, sir. Can you see the
chat box? Okay, let me just. Where is chat box? Yeah. Can we conduct Viva on Moodle on online? Viva means if you have any online video conference software license, then you can take it. But in online Viva means you need some interaction section, na? But Moodle is not an interaction section where software. It is a assessment, how to take the assignment quiz, or you can upload your course files, course material. That is the software. This is LMS software. But if you have any Microsoft Team or Google Meet, then you can take it Viva. But here we cannot take the online Viva. You can take an online Viva through chat. If you have any question, post in the discussion forum and ask your student to give the answer in the chat mode, means text mode, then that can be possible. But not in the video conferencing mode, means interaction with the video and audio. That not possible. Because this is the LMS software through which we can take an assessment through assignment, quiz, or any other format that is feedback, or but we cannot take through this module, we cannot take the conference mode. That it not support. Okay. And other questions are there. Provide website of Moodle. Can we conduct descriptive question exam on Moodle? Yes, that can be possible. We have already shown you. Descriptive question, we can make it. But in descriptive question, you have to evaluate manually. We have shown you. First, you just check a PDF file and annotate where they have done the wrong answer. You can write it there also, give some feedback, and then you can mark it out of 20 or out of 50, what they have got. You just give it a mark there. For descriptive, you have to give and evaluate manually. But in multiple choice or numeric, it will automatically be evaluated through this Moodle software. Can we use Moodle software for online teaching? Yes. If you want to take online teaching in this way, means if you have recorded some video lectures, yeah, if you have some link of YouTube, then you just give the link in this to this Moodle software, and you can upload some course material in the PDF or PPT or video lecture. You can also take some video lectures in your home, means record it. If you have some mobile camera or any other professional camera, you can record the clips video in the 5-minute or 10-minute or 20-minute clip, and you can upload the videos. And then within that videos, you can take some assignment or you can take some quiz. Topic wise, you can create some videos or PPT files and upload in Moodle software. And topic wise, you can also take the assessment of the student. So in this way, you can take online classes through this Moodle software. No other questions are there. Only 2 questions are there. I already answered. If you have any more question, you can post it in the text box or you can chat with me.
Basim sir?
Prem sir. So we can propose vote of thanks, sir. We can propose vote of thanks, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of Mechanical Department, I extend a really heartily vote of thanks to our Chief Guest, Mr. Subrata Nayak, who spent time from his extreme busy schedule to grace the occasion. Today, we had opportunity to hear from our expert, and this will surely be going to encourage us in enhancing the education in terms of assessment and evaluation. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. Thank you once again, sir.
Okay, thank you.